Yeah, yeah. It's a good, Yeah. Thank you. అచ్చా మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. ఐ నో యు ఆర్ తెలుగు. నో. మాకు తెలుగు వస్తుంది. కానీ ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడను. మా మదర్ టంగ్ ఈస్ తమిళ్, అరబం. Aravam is my mother tongue, but I can speak in Telugu, Bengali, and Hindi also when there is need. When there is need. Now, if you are online, you can be listening to the questions I am asking a candidate online. And you just say online, you just, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello. Please unmute this thing. Hello. Hello. You be holding on. Hello. Yeah. You be online for about few minutes. If you are not hearing anything, you can cut it. Okay. Yeah. Acha. Excuse me. Who is coming online? Hello. Yeah. Acha. I think then you can listen. You can watch it in the video rather than here. Thank you. I'm cut kar देंगे. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Lucky. Where are you? Why are you not coming online? Why are you not coming online, please? Oh, now only you are coming. Acha. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Anis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Anis, there is somebody else online. Is it okay for you? No problem. Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
Very good. Yeah, good. That's a confidence should be there. Anis, what is your degree?
I have completed my BCom honors graduation this August 2021.
Only now, August 2021. Very good. How many marks did you score in your degree?
Sir, I have secured 8.6 CGPA in overall.
Very good. Now, how did you come to know of this Federal Bank internship program?
Sir, actually, many of our WhatsApp groups were active and they were sending this links. So I got it through my friends and family. Yeah.
Very good. What is your father?
My father is, his name is Sunil, and he is working in Muscat, Oman, as an engineer.
He is an engineer. What about your mother?
Yeah. She's also working in Oman, Muscat, as a civil engineer.
Acha. Then you are staying alone with your grandparents?
Yes, sir. I'm in Hyderabad and I'm staying with my grandparents.
What is your grandfather?
He was a ex-employee in ECIL, Electronic Corporation India Limited.
Electronic Corporation. What is your grandmother?
She's a housewife.
Very
she's
good.
a woman.
How many siblings do you have?
I'm the only child.
Only son. Oh. So why is it you are not evinced interest in going to Muscat?
Sir, I have done my 10 years of schooling in Muscat only, Indian school Muscat.
Mm.
Like I completed my 10th in CBSE board only in 10th, and I came back to Hyderabad for my higher secondary 11th and 12th in CBSE school, Ivy League Academy. I just came to India because I felt India was a better place for higher studies and all.
Yeah. And I think Muscat, it is very hot, always.
Yeah, it is hot, but it is a peaceful place and pleasant to stay always.
It's a hot place and also a cold place. Sometimes it becomes very cold.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes.
Oh. So the standard of living is good, no?
Yeah, it is better.
Better. Do you get people for working at home?
Yeah. Actually, people from India only come.
Acha. People from India come there and work for others. Correct. Very good.
Yeah.
That's right. That is why your mother is able to go for a job. Otherwise, she can't do
No,
that
but
job.
nowadays she's managing it by herself only.
Oh, working from home.
Only when I was there, I think she was. She needed some help at home, but then now she's managing it by
She is
herself.
managing herself. Very good. What do you know about this federal internship program?
I came to know that this is a 2 years internship program where it is a sales and marketing oriented program where we have to, um, we have to find out customers and we have to make them open an account with Federal Bank and also make ensure many other facilities. They access many other facilities like accessing a loan or a car loan or all those facilities of Federal Bank, we have to introduce it to them. And our target would be like if you get maximum customers, then we are paid a good incentive and all those.
Mhm.
And this will be, partly. They are partly partnership with Manipal University. So that is again a very good opportunity for all the youngsters who are looking for a good career option.
Mm. No, but you could have told clearly about Manipal 17 days, then internship for 800 plus hours, then
Yeah.
during which time you have to do canvassing of deposits, advances, and other banking products. And
Yeah.
the performance is evaluated based on the achievement of targets and
Yeah.
based on the marks scored by us in the in the program, we will be
Yeah.
considered for recruitment. If we score
Yeah.
A or B grade, we may be
Yeah.
recruited. Yeah.
Yeah.
So very good.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you are aware this is fully, since when are you member of our Telegram group? Are you a member of our Telegram group? No,
No, sir. I was following your YouTube channel since 10 days or something.
10 days. Acha. You are not, coming to know about our Telegram group. Are you a member of Telegram?
No, sir. I had Telegram before, but now I'm not a part of Telegram.
Now you are not a part. Acha. In that Telegram group, you get lot of questions, doubts, etc. People are asking. Doesn't matter. Now
Yeah.
let me come to the questions.
Yeah.
Today's, for one candidate, the interview went like this. I will ask those questions. Tell
Yeah.
me about your college.
My college is Loyola Academy Degree College. It is situated in Alwal in Hyderabad. It is a very good Jesuits college, and it is one of the prestigious colleges in India. And as everyone knows, Loyola Chennai is very famous, and Loyola Hyderabad is also one of the famous colleges. Uh, our college provides various.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Some call is coming.
Yeah.
Hello. Satisha. Oh, speaker of it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was asking you about your college. You told nicely about that. Then
Yeah.
in some interviews, they tell you about the program, you know. They say
Yeah.
this is it comfortable for you to face all the odds like transfers, sales targets, etc.? Will you be prepared to take up transfers and take up transfer sales targets and all?
Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted to, learn new things, and I'm a quick learner as well. So I always would like to endeavor my talents and all these new challenges. I like to take them up. So it would be a challenge, and I would like to complete it to my best limit.
Have you ever been a leader of in your college?
Yes, I
Hello.
was the class representative of my. Yeah, can you hear me?
Mm.
Yeah, I was the
Good.
class representative of my class
Mm.
for 3 years, yeah, of my degree, and then I was the house prefect of 11th and 12th. My house, there are different houses, so I was the house prefect, and then gradually became the captain
Mhm.
of uh, in my 11th and 12th pre
Mhm. Good.
schooling, secondary schooling.
Very good. See, are you aware that you can be terminated during the say training anytime if your performance is not all right? Are you aware about that?
So I came to know about this from your videos that this termination will be there in middle if you are not performing well.
Good.
The-
So you are okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I will try to catch up and uh, perform well.
Good. In your case, the advantage is how old are you? Only 21, 22?
21.
And that's a good advantage. You can try it out for first 2, 3 years. Then if it settles very good, otherwise you can jump from here to another place. Good. Do you
Yeah,
know two-wheeler driving, four-wheeler driving?
yeah, I know four-wheeler driving.
Why not two-wheeler?
I actually don't. I didn't get an opportunity because the bike here we have here is not in a perfect condition, and then I
Very,
don't try because my parents are like use normal car
they,
only.
they don't permit you to go by two-wheeler.
Yeah, once they are back, then they I think so they will. But
Permit.
I'm yeah, if there
Yeah,
is an emergency or need, I
ve-
will try to
very
get it.
good. Now, which bank do you have an account?
So with Federal Bank only.
Acha, Federal
Yeah.
Bank only. Which branch?
This ECL branch only. I stay near ECL only.
Acha, how big is that branch?
It is a normal office which is having a lot of, most of the facilities which is having
Mhm. Like,
like FD loan, then we have car loans and then home loans, all. Then I think safety vault is also, yeah, safety vault is also there.
mm,
And there is a branch manager also.
ATM,
ATM, yeah, ATM is there.
cash
And
machine,
cash machine and
oh,
check deposit, everything is
check
there.
depositing machine,
Yeah,
place, everything is there. Very good.
yeah, yeah.
Acha, why banks are giving lockers to customers?
Banks are mainly the most secure place which we find in most of the things. If you see, banks are the most safest placed, and there is a lot of security. So people mostly trust bank, and even their money. They are normally people are trying to keep their money safe, so they all normally prefer bank. So bank is again providing this vaults facility so that it gives more. Belief to all the customers that we are a safe place to keep all your valuable things and all. So they're providing safe, and people are sending their people are keeping their valuable things in the safe.
You have not answered my point. My point was why banks are renting out lockers. What is the advantage?
Oh, okay, sir, I got it. This for generating income, that is one of the source for income.
Good. Good, 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 good. What are the other sources of income for the bank?
One is interest. Interest they secure on loans and advances, and another is they make investment on the various government securities, treasury bills, all that, and bonds. And they also get money on this NEFT and all charges. And there are small charges also which bank gets income.
Bank assurance charges.
Yeah, insurance.
Then DD issue charges, NEFT
Yeah.
charges. So many
Yeah.
charges they take nowadays.
Yeah.
That's good. That's really good. Very happy.
Yeah.
Now, what is your mother tongue? Telugu.
Malayalam.
Malayalam. Acha.
Yeah.
Now, you choose your own product and sell it to me, or another person also is here. You please
Yeah.
sell it to us. Choose any product of your choice. Are you aware of the banking products? Yes or no?
Yeah, slightly, sir. Not that.
No. I suggest you are going through Federal Bank website and get to know the different products they are offering. Yesterday, we had a discussion about one product known as instant loans.
Okay.
Then there are products like sovereign gold bond scheme.
Okay.
Then there is one more scheme known as Fed Fiesta cards, loans, debit cards, EMIs. Then there is one more scheme known as do it yourself Fed E-Point. Fed E-Point. Then there is another scheme known as housing loan. Then another scheme known as open your savings bank account in just 3 minutes over a video call. Then there is one scheme known as what is this? I don't know. Celesta. Something is given as Celesta. What is this Celesta? I don't know. Let me check it. Let me click this and see. What is this Celesta? So likewise, some schemes are there. Join Celesta, family banking. So you must be, and wealth management.
Yeah.
Okay, personalized banking. And Celesta Federal Bank card holder name. Celesta is a debit card, it seems. Celesta debit card. So I am giving this in your WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay.
Please see this. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Now tell me, sell some product to us.
Okay, sir.
Malayalam.
Sir, I'm okay with English.
You are okay with English, but we want people to speak in Malayalam also. First in English, then in Malayalam.
Okay, sir.
First one product in English. Which product you want to choose? Not banking.
I would like to sell this calculator.
Cell phone. Calculator. Super.
Okay.
Nowadays also you are using calculator. Arey bhai.
Yes, sir.
Please tell this. Show it to us.
Okay, this is a calculator. It's a Casio calculator.
Very good.
Model number is FM991MS.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a scientific calculator. You can see it. It has all the great features like log, hypotenuse, sine, cos, tan, and all this. And it is having, you can find out percentage, and it is a very comfortable calculator. You can have most of the features like there is, you can find the square root, you can do the square of a number, and there are features which you won't find in a normal calculator. If you see nowadays, if you are using in a phone, you have touch, and then
I was about to ask you that. Yeah.
Okay. If you would argue with my point that we can use phone, but phones are not allowed. If you are using this for an exam, you can't use a phone. You have to for a calculator. So calculator is one more useful tool because it is easy and handy. You can carry it anywhere in your pocket as well as in your anywhere. You can in a bag, or else It is very handy, as well as you can. This doesn't use that much of battery. It is a solar rechargeable battery, so it doesn't use up much power also, and it is having a warranty of around 3 years.
Good. What is the price?
The price of this calculator is 700 rupees. On its MRP, I am selling this calculator.
Will you give some discount?
So this is an MRP, but as you are a very, kind customer, I would like give you a 10% discount, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Nice, thank you. Now take some other product and sell me in Malayalam.
Okay, sir.
Sir, are you before a laptop?
Yeah.
If you are before a laptop, I suggest you go through federalbank.co.in. Please go to that. Please go to that. And I suggest you go through any federal install loan.
Okay.
Yesterday I had posted a video also. Did you watch that one? No.
I think...
Covering this point, I posted a video. Federal install loan. No.
No, sir, I didn't see. I just saw a latest video which was streamed 21 hours.
Oh.
Yeah, it was like a new strategies for interview.
Exactly, strategies. Did you watch that?
In that, yeah, I have seen that.
Yeah. Now, can you try to talk about that federal install loan? You can use the screen before you and then talk to us.
Yeah, one second.
Or otherwise, okay, that is not a real life situation, because in interview, they won't permit you to use a calculator. Forget about that. Choose some other product, like say, television, a television.
Okay.
Sell a television to us.
Okay. I have a Samsung QLED TV in front of you. This is a curved LED TV. It's having many features, like you have a curved sensation when you are sitting at home. You will feel that you are really in that moment. You will feel that you are having someone. I mean, there is a real life experience when you watch this TV, and it's also having Dolby Atmos, which is giving you some more real effects, sound effects, and it having a little more what you say. You can experience 3D also in this vision. This TV is meeting up to the latest technology. It is having QLED and it is Ultra HD. It's not like normal HD TVs. It is having much more clarity, and it gives you crystal clear images. And you can see it as if you're seeing a cricket match, it will be like you're sitting in a stadium and watching.
Good.
And all these.
How many inches this TV?
This is 48 inches, sir.
Acha. What is the maximum size that is there in this?
The maximum size is 90, and it is a limited edition TV. And there is a December sale, Christmas. Because of Christmas, we are giving a discount and sale, sale offer, and this is limited only up to New Year. So you have you can also access it in EMI, or else there is a if you are having Federal Bank credit card, you can also avail discount.
Very good, very good. So now, is there any arrangement with Federal Bank? If I get it through you, will there be some discounts?
Yes, sir, surely. If you are paying through Federal Bank credit card or debit card, you will have 10% cash back.
Acha, very good. Very nice. Why are you
have a tie-up with Federal Bank?
Yeah, you are having a tie-up with Federal Bank?
Yeah.
Why Federal Bank is giving cash back for us?
Sir, because this is one of the promotional activities, and they are also trying to promote their card. I mean, their bank. So they are also tying up with many of the many of the top branches like Samsung, LG, and higher. So this is one of their promotional offers, and it is a benefit for both the parties, and hence they are coming up with this offer.
Good. Now, in what way do you think you are more suitable for this job?
I feel I am a quick learner as well as a hardworking person, and I always feel that to work in efficiency on a given time and complete the given task. So I set targets and try to meet up to the standards, and always try to learn new things. That is the main concept I had taken this internship program, because I also wanted to see my potential and where I can fit the best. So this was my main.
Now my question is, you are coming from a well-to-do family.
Yeah.
Your parents are working abroad, and
Yeah.
you are scoring good marks in your degree. Why should you not go for further education? And why do you want to take up this job, and that too as internship and not on a regular platform like, say, probationary officer, etc.? Why do you want to take up this?
Yeah, I actually after my graduation, I was figuring out what would best suit for me. So I have been trying for entrance exams like CAT and MAT exams, so that I can get into one of the good colleges, like in an MBA college, and pursue my graduation. But in the meanwhile, I'm also trying for some good opportunities which would best suit for me. And seeing for this internship program, it was related to banking. I was really keen to get to the banking sector and pursue my career there, as I had been learning from this program that there is a possibility that my career can get settled if I get through the internship program and get selected as a probationary officer, and then go ahead with this career. So I felt this could be one of my path, and if I get through these stages.
Good. Both your parents are engineers. Why did you not go for engineering?
Actually, this question was asked me by many people. I would actually go with my choice and passion, as I felt engineers are, as my way of thinking or my perspective was that there are many engineers and in the market, and there are a lot of competition, and I feel that being an engineer, I have to be the best among the lot so that I can get through a good job. So I felt commerce and all commerce sector would have a more openings for me, and many opportunities are there. So I feel I could excel myself in commerce.
Why did you not pursue with chartered accountancy? Did you think it is very difficult or it is time consuming?
I had an option of chartered accountancy because I thought it was too complicated, and it is. Not a very studious person that I sit for a long time and study. That is why I felt chartered accounting is not my cup.
Very good. You have answered this question nicely. Now tell me, what is retail banking?
Retail banking is a type of banking where the banks directly deal with the customers, and they normally come in contact with the customers. I mean, they take feedback, and customers can also get back to the branch or the bank whenever they require.
Retail banking is contacting customers directly, selling products like savings bank, current account, then fixed deposit, recurring deposit to individual customers, and giving debit cards, credit cards, and also selling loan products like gold loan, and also selling bank assurance products. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Do you know what is meant by mortgage?
Yeah. Mortgage is a type of like we are when we keep some asset. I mean, on when we take a loan, we keep some asset as mortgage. So
No, you have to use the particular word immobile property.
immovable property, yeah.
You have, because if it is movable property, it is known as pledge.
Yeah, pledge.
When you take a loan against gold, it is known as
pledge.
pledge. Which date is the interview date?
Third, sir.
Third one. Good.
Yeah.
So pledge is one where you are taking a movable property pledge to the bank. Another one, hypothecation.
Yeah.
Hypothecation is property is in the hands of customer only, and the charge is registered in the books. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. You answered these questions very nicely. Now,
Yeah.
can you tell me what is KYC?
It's an
KYC. KYC. Hello. Hello.